The story of Thanksgiving celebration in the US. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a story that's as rich as the pumpkin pie on your Thanksgiving table. That's right, we're talking about the history of Thanksgiving in the United States. So grab your favorite snack, settle in, and let's explore how this beloved holiday came to be. The origins of Thanksgiving. Historical illustrations of the Pilgrims and Native Americans. Our story begins in the early 17th century with a group of English settlers known as the Pilgrims. In 1620, they set sail on the Mayflower, seeking a new life in America, away from religious persecution. After a grueling journey, they landed at Plymouth Rock in present-day Massachusetts. Animation of the Mayflower voyage, but life in the New World was tough. The Pilgrims faced harsh winters, food shortages, and unfamiliar terrain. Thankfully, they met the Wampanoag tribe led by Chief Massasoit, who taught them vital survival skills, including how to cultivate corn beans and squash. Illustrations of Pilgrims and Native Americans working together. In the fall of 1621, after a successful harvest, the Pilgrims and the Wampanoag came together for a feast that would be remembered as the first Thanksgiving. This three-day celebration was filled with food games and gratitude, a true testament to cooperation and friendship. The evolution of Thanksgiving. Transition to images of various Thanksgiving celebrations through the years. Fast forward to the 19th century. Thanksgiving began to evolve. Sarah Josepha Hale, a prominent writer, campaigned tirelessly for a national Thanksgiving holiday. After years of advocacy, President Abraham Lincoln proclaimed Thanksgiving a national holiday in 1863 during the Civil War as a way to unite the country. Lincoln's proclamation and images of Civil War soldiers. Lincoln's Thanksgiving was a call for healing and gratitude, and it set the stage for the holiday we celebrate today. But it wasn't until 1941 that Congress officially established the fourth Thursday in November as Thanksgiving Day. Modern Thanksgiving traditions. Visual families preparing Thanksgiving meals, parades, and football games. Today, Thanksgiving is a time for family, friends, and feasting. The traditions have expanded over the years. From the iconic turkey dinner complete with stuffing, cranberry sauce, and pumpkin pie to the famous Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, there's something for everyone. Clips of the Macy's parade and families enjoying meals together. And let's not forget about football. The NFL has made Thanksgiving Day games a staple, bringing families together to cheer for their favorite teams. It's a day filled with laughter, love, and a little friendly competition. Giving thanks and reflection. Visual families, sharing what they're thankful for around the dinner table. But at its core, Thanksgiving is about gratitude. It's a time to reflect on what we're thankful for, our health, our loved ones, and the simple joys of life. Many families take a moment to share their gratitude before diving into the feast, creating a beautiful tradition of appreciation. Heartwarming moments of families sharing stories and laughter. Thanksgiving today and its impact. Community service events, food drives, and diverse Thanksgiving celebrations. Thanksgiving has also become a time for giving back. Many people volunteer at shelters, donate food, or participate in community service. It's a reminder that while we celebrate our blessings, we can also help those in need. In recent years, Thanksgiving has also become a time to acknowledge the complex history between Native Americans and settlers. Many now observe a national day of mourning reflecting on the impact of colonization and honoring indigenous cultures. Families enjoying Thanksgiving together, ending with a sunset over a Thanksgiving table. So whether you're gathering around the table with family watching the parade or volunteering in your community, Thanksgiving is a time to celebrate togetherness, gratitude, and reflection. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of Thanksgiving. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Thanksgiving traditions in the comments below. Happy Thanksgiving!